Happy Friday, happy Memorial Day weekend. Boss has a brand new 24, maybe a 25, I don't think 25 is right yet, 24 F450. That thing don't even have 1,000 miles on it. Hitched a ride with him to a local garage where we had one of our work trucks getting service. Needless to say, there's not a drop of AC in that thing, or it's overcharged or undercharged, because it worked at first, then it just got warm. It was cooler to ride with the windows down than it was with the AC. If that tells you anything. It's a shame, pay all that money for them fancy trucks. King Ranch, dually, 450. I'm sure it wasn't a cheap penny. And then you get them kind of issues with it. It's not horrible today. I think his truck was saying it was 84 degrees, but I don't know. That seems a little warmer than what it feels. But there is a slight breeze today. The local coal festival this weekend. I'll attend it for a few minutes. Daughter has to play a softball game, so we'll be over there for that. And then there, between the softball game and a little bit of walking around, that'll be the about extent of what we spend over there. Wasn't sure if I was going to get up in the morning and go turkey hunting, but I think I'm going to try my luck again. Need to get out and get some fishing in. Really slacking in that fishing department this year. I'm going to go to the local club tonight if it ain't packed. Get ourselves some supper. Been a while since we've been up. Wife called me this morning, asked what I wanted for dinner. Told her I'm not hungry, so I don't know. So I just told her we'll go out to eat. At least the money goes back into the community. That's how I look at it. Support them local, not them chains. My spring has not come in. My dad's helmet came in the other day. He checked to see if my spring was in. Was not. Which is alright. Got a few more things I gotta order for the bike anyways, do our camping. Kinda itching to get out and do a camping trip. Really like to get one in. I think what I'm going to start doing with my videos, I'm going to collect them all week and break them down into one video. So my publishing might only be once a week, but I'm going to try to get a little more quality video. That way I got multiple videos of the same stories and this and that. Try to break it down to one video. Maybe a 10 minute, 15 maybe, if I'm hopefully not too long of a video. I'm going to try different things just to see what happens. Filled the bike up this morning at 190 miles, 4 gallons of high test. Averaged out to be 47.6 miles a gallon. I can't complain. I'll take that any day. Doubling my truck, if not almost tripling it. Truck only gets 18 a mile a gallon, so I'll take that any day. Cost you 20 bucks, 15 bucks to fill up. Vehicle behind me, if I ever had to stop in a hurry, I'd get mowed over. Riding right up my butt. Not more disrespectful in my opinion. I can stop twice as fast as they can. Nobody wants to give room for the bikers anymore. Everybody's in too big of a hurry to get one place to the other. What the